Hello and welcome to UTS Library's tutorial on referencing a book chapter in an edited book using the APA 7 style. In this video, we'll show you how to reference a book chapter in an edited book, where each chapter is written by a different author or authors. To reference a book chapter, you need the author or authors of the chapter, the year the book was published, the title of the chapter, the editor or editors of the book, the title of the book, the edition number, the page range of the chapter, and the name of the book's publisher. After you gather this information, it's time to reference. Start with the author's surnames and the initials of their given names. Then list the year the book was published in parentheses. Next, list the title of the chapter. Then write the word "in" and list the editor or editors of the book, followed by ED or EDS in parentheses. Note that the editor's initials come before their surname. Next, write the title of the book in italics. For both the chapter and book title, capitalize only the first word, any proper nouns, and the first word after a colon. After the title, the edition number and page range of the chapter should be listed in parentheses. You do not need to list the edition number of a first edition. Next, write the name of the publisher. If your book chapter contains a DOI number, place this at the end of the reference. Note that there is no full stop after the DOI. In this video, we covered how to reference a book chapter in an edited book.